first question I want to ask you that
It's called Under Delhi. Thank you. No, it's a very fun novel. It's about a woman fighting rapists in Delhi. So it's very angry. It's very funny, and it's a lot of fun to write because I got all my khunnas against Indian men out, even though I happen to be one of them.
but, Abhishek Bachchan did reviewed your novel as the best hilarious novel.
Well, so Abhishek Bachchan is actually a scam. Abhishek Bachchan liked my previous novel a lot, so I said, "Hey, can you give me a quote for this one?" He's like, "Use my previous quote, bindas." So I said, "Thanks, Abhishek Bachchan. You're the best friend I ever had." So yeah, Abhishek Bachchan is a nice man. But yeah, I think he's not read it yet, but he's gonna get it and he's quite excited about it. So I'll use his quote for this book for the next one, and so on and so forth. So basically, Abhishek Bachchan is not going to read my book until after it's published.
Okay, relating to novel, you're a writer. You started as a writer, so you started with Veer Das.
Yeah.
So, what dragged you into this comedy thing? I know your sense of humor is very good, but how come from writer to a comedian?
I like how you're saying what dragged you into it. Like what incidents happened in your life?
What inspired you actually? What inspired you?
It's like well, he's got no personality, no talent.
No.
Let's be no. I actually didn't start with Veer. I started with a lot of other people, but all of it was rubbish. I think the only time we worked on something fun was when we were working with Veer for a show called News on the Loose, and he actually dragged me into comedy. I would have been like an unknown TV writer. TV writer guys.
TV writer.
Yeah, actually not really. I would have been famous. No. So yeah. I mean, I started working with Veer, and he asked me to open for him at one of his shows in Delhi in 2008, which was a disaster. But yeah, we still continued after that. So yeah, he's a good man. Even his quote is there in my book. So yeah.
Okay, the next question is that I recently watched your video about the sex education in India.
Yeah.
You just broke, criticized everything. You just took it out from education and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So you really think that people can change their mentality towards sex? I don't think so. So what are your views about it?
I like sex. I think it's everyone should have it at least once in your life, or twice in a day. No, I mean the video was actually I was just co-directing it, and I happened to know Anand Tiwari who acted in the video and just contributed as a writer, and it was produced by my company. But yeah, it was written by comedians at East India Comedy, so it was a lot of fun. And I think the odd thing is that even though the video is basically a satire on how sex education would be in India if it was controlled by conservatives, we had a lot of feedback even on the YouTube video which said this is not what happens, this is not how you do sex. I'm like, that's the idea. So I don't think people understand what satire is to a large extent. So yeah, and then we did that I am not a woman video, which was which got even stranger these things from people. I don't know if you've seen the video, but it's
The majority of Indians, I don't think they understand humor. In your case, I mean,
like I don't understand.
no, you understand humor, but they don't understand because they take it in a wrong way.
I think that's changing though. I think the more people come for live comedy, they realize it's all a joke. It's not a big deal to be taken too seriously. So I think it's all changing everywhere across the world, and people are giving me lots of money to, make jokes, which is ridiculous. Unlike in PILF where I don't get paid. I'm going to keep mentioning that at least 15 times.
No, that was my next question about PILF only. That it's your second time, so
Yeah.
you enjoyed. I think you enjoyed last time.
Oh, last time was a lot of fun. That's the only reason I'm here.
Sahil came with you.
Sahil came with me. This time I have Angad Singh Ranyal because he's a Sardar, and Sardars have to be funny. That's like unwritten law. So yeah, we replaced Sahil's curly hair with Angad. So yeah, PILF is a lot of fun, and yeah, we like to come here. And honestly, with a name like PILF, you have to keep coming back. It just sounds so wrong.
So tell us about this session. What is all about? What's all about?
So I'm doing a show called The Illiterates, which is basically about writing and literature, and it's very, very juvenile and disgusting and stupid. So I'm talking about writing from different perspectives. Aside from just like books, it's also about writing in television and films and newspapers and even on Twitter. So it's basically all about writing, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And at the end of it, I'm going to take off my top and dance. So please look forward to that. She's already turned off by the thought of that, but yeah, it's going to be fun. And I think Angad is just doing some of his best stand-up so that people aren't like बहुत ही जग्गी show था, पता नहीं क्या कर रहा था साला. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be a show which we are now touring across the country. So yeah, this is the third time we're doing it.
So in future, any other thing you want to just put your hands on, from writer to comedian to any other thing now?
I think it's done. I mean, I'm just going to retire day after tomorrow. My career is over. No, but I mean, the big thing is that...
You have the bestest sense of humor, I must say that.
Thank you. I love you. Marry me.
Sorry, you're already married.
yeah.
I wanted to.
Okay, I've murdered my wife. I've assassinated her. So yeah, what is next? I just want this book to do well, and lots of shows, and we're doing a lot more stuff on YouTube. A lot of things are happening there, and so yeah, there's a lot more to look forward to. And
After Under Delhi, any other novel you're writing about?
yeah, there's another one which is going to be it's going to be quite crazy. It's going to be slightly unexpected from what people might expect from me. So.
About what? I mean, any...
I mean, just to give you a slight hint, it's basically a combination of history, mythology, and comedy. So anything could happen in that zone. Yeah.
Oh,
It's quite interesting, guys. It's quite interesting. The world will explode.
we'll see.
8 people will